Hi, welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I want to show you some of my headbands I have made through the years. If you have ever visited my channel before, you have definitely seen a headband tutorial because I have made so many of them. It all started with, we decided way at the beginning in 2020 to make 7 headbands in a row, and then I just thought I'll just add one more, and it's this one up, the picture of it. I don't have it here, I don't know where it is, but that is my most popular headband right now. It has over 2 million views, and that's what made my channel take off. So I just made a lot of headbands after that. I've tried to make the braided headband in different styles. The one, the popular one from before, it's with 5 strings. This one is with 4 strings, so a little different, not that pretty as the other one. And the other one I wanted to show you, it's gone right now. Doesn't matter, we will take another one. This one, my Alpine Stitch headband. It twists a little bit, but when you wear it, it's actually quite nice. Then this one, also very pretty. This is made from yarn from We Are Knitters. This one, the Petite wool. The color of the yarn is Flamengo. Very easy to do as well. Then I wanted to try some Tunisian crochet, so I made this one. It is with the simple stitch. The yarn is from Alice, and I made the X twist in front. And now I found the other braided headband just with 6 strings. This is prettier than the one with 4. And then I made this one. This is a little bit wider. It warms a lot more of the head. And this is also Tunisian crochet. Very thick, and you can see with the color change on the back and the front. This is actually quite beautiful wearing it. And then I will save this one. This one, I actually think this is very pretty. I haven't been able to wear it yet, but it's just single crochet in the back loop and then 3 buttons in front. Very easy to do as well. I made another braided headband just for my daughter. She really likes all these unicorn colors. She is a girl. So I made another 3 headbands. I will just put them down right here so you can see all the colors. She couldn't decide, so she made me do 3 different kinds. It's all the same patterns. It's just different colors. Then this one. I want to talk a little about this one. I think this was my second ever headband. This is the easiest one I have ever made. This is just, I think it's 12 chains back and forth with single crochet, and then sew it together with the X twist in the middle. This is very, very easy. I show it very, very slowly in the tutorial so you can follow even if you're an absolute beginner. This is so pretty and absolutely the easiest one to do. So I recommend this one if you're a beginner. This one I made with scrap yarn because I crochet a lot, so I have a lot of scrap yarn. So I just wanted to make a headband out of scrap yarn. It works fine. And then this one, this is worked in Trinity stitch. Also a very pretty stitch with a lot of texture. I really like this one. It's a little thicker than the other ones, and also with the X twist on front. I really like the X twist. I think it's very beautiful. I have that on a lot of my headbands. This one with a color change. This is also a very popular one actually. I think it's because of the colors. Really nice one. And this one is also yarn from We Are Knitters. Really, really nice colors. This is one of the simpler one. I just made this recently because I made a pair of mittens in the same yarn. So I wanted to make a headband that goes with the mittens. So I have a mittens tutorial on this pattern as well. Then I made this one. And this is actually the same as the other one. I have a pair of fingerless gloves that goes with this pattern, also with the edge, the white edge. And this is very nice colors together, I think, brown and a titanium color, actually. And then I wanted to try some more Tunisian crochet. I haven't had so much luck with Tunisian crochet. I really like the Honeycomb stitch, which is this one. I think I didn't do it as wide as I wanted to, but I really like the Honeycomb stitch, so I think it's all right. Very beautiful. Then this one is actually one of my most popular headband patterns. I think it's because it is so simple to do. I don't remember the stitch. Maybe double crochet. I actually think it's double crochet. So double crochet in the back loop, back and forth, sew it together with the X twist, and voila. Very easy headband, very beautiful headband. Then I've made this one in the Wave Stitch. Also very pretty in a cotton blend from Elise. Very nice. And then I made this one. This is the Waffle Stitch. So just back and forth, Waffle Stitch, sew it together, and that's it. Then you have a headband. This has a really nice texture as well. I really like this one, actually. And we have another one. Very beautiful. Just wanted to show you for inspiration. Looks a lot like the other ones. Then this one. This also looks a lot like the other one I did in the same color, just like this petite wool here. The Yarnicorn. Very beautiful. And then this one. What did I make? I cannot see the pattern. Ah, it's inside out. Very, very beautiful. What is the stitch? I don't remember the stitch. It's so beautiful. It's actually one of my favorite stitches to look at, not to crochet, but to look at. I think it's very, very beautiful. I will write when I get it which stitch it is. Then this one. This is a little bit different. You see I have a rubber band at the back so it can widen out and be more flexible. I think this doesn't give that much warmth for the ears, but it's just pretty to wear, a little different. And of course I saved the best for last. My favorites. These are similar. It's pretty much the same pattern. I think it's exactly the same pattern. This one, if I should recommend a pattern, I will choose this one. I think this is the most beautiful headband ever, and I really like working in the back loop single crochet. It is a little more tricky to do the middle part, but if you be sure to keep it loose, not tighten too much, just work loose stitches and really focus on keeping it loose. It's a very, very easy pattern to do. So go ahead, try it. Maybe not as your first project, choose one of the other ones, maybe the red one, but after that, make this one. This is so beautiful. I really want to hear which one was your favorite headband. Please leave a comment down below. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.